What if I told you the supplements you're taking to build muscle might be the very thing breaking it down? Every night, your body enters a critical recovery phase. Between 10:01 p.m. and 2:00 a.m., your muscles do the heavy lifting, rebuilding, repairing, growing stronger. But here's the catch. If you're taking the wrong vitamins at the wrong time, you might be cutting that entire process short without even realizing it. Think about it. You train hard, you eat well, you try to recover, but every night right before bed, you take a few pills because they're healthy, right? A multivitamin here, a B complex there, maybe some extra vitamin C, and you think you're giving your body what it needs to grow. But what if those healthy choices were quietly holding you back? What if they were blocking your growth hormone, spiking cortisol, interrupting deep sleep, all during the exact window your muscles are begging for support? What if every night without knowing it, you're hitting the brakes on recovery instead of stepping on the gas? Here's what your doctor probably never told you. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow in the hours after, especially while you sleep. That's when your body ramps up growth hormone, releases testosterone, and begins repairing the damage you did during your workout. But all of that depends on timing, especially when it comes to vitamins. Now, here's the good news, and it's really good. There are 4 vitamins that, when taken at the right time, can turn your body into a muscle rebuilding machine while you sleep. We're talking deeper recovery, better sleep, more energy when you wake up, and even visible changes in muscle density and strength, especially if you're over 40. It's not magic, it's not hype, it's biochemistry. And once you understand how these nutrients work with your circadian rhythm, everything changes. Because let's face it, most people over 35 aren't losing muscle because they're not trying. They're losing it because no one ever taught them how to support muscle recovery. The workouts are only one piece of the puzzle. Recovery is the engine that drives results. Tonight could be the night you spinning your wheels and start rebuilding what time tried to take from you, but only if you know which vitamins to take and which ones to avoid at all costs. If this is already hitting close to home, hit that subscribe button because what's coming next might just change the way you train forever. 1. Nighttime muscle builder, magnesium glycinate. Out of all the supplements you could take at night, this one is non-negotiable. Magnesium glycinate isn't just a nice to have, it's the foundation. And if you're not taking it, you're missing the one mineral that directly powers muscle contraction, recovery, and deep sleep. Here's what most people don't know. Magnesium levels naturally drop at night, right when your muscles need it most. And if you're low on magnesium, your body struggles to repair muscle tissue, produce energy, and enter deep sleep. That's a triple hit to your gains. But not all magnesium is created equal. Magnesium glycinate is a game changer because it's bound to glycine, an amino acid that enhances sleep quality and has its own muscle protective properties. Unlike other forms like citrate or oxide that can mess with your gut and disrupt sleep, glycinate is smooth, highly absorbable, and actually helps calm your nervous system. Let's break it down. Magnesium is required for over 300 enzyme reactions, and a ton of them have to do with muscle. Without it, protein synthesis slows down, ATP production, aka your muscle energy, drops, and muscle recovery gets stuck in first gear. That soreness you feel the next morning, that stiffness that makes you dread the stairs, magnesium can help erase it, but only if it's in your system at night when your body is actually trying to fix itself. And the glycine part, that's not just a carrier. Glycine is the primary amino acid in collagen, the stuff your connective tissue is made of. It also lowers your core body temperature, which is essential for deep sleep. Better sleep means more growth hormone. More growth hormone means more muscle. Simple math. Here's where it gets real. Studies show that up to 70% of older adults are deficient in magnesium, and many don't even know it. But when they fix that deficiency with magnesium glycinate before bed, recovery skyrockets within weeks, sleep improves, energy returns, muscles feel less sore, less tight, more alive. If you've been waking up tired, feeling like you've aged 10 years overnight, magnesium glycinate might be the one thing that flips the script, but that's just one piece of the puzzle. Why vitamin D3 needs K2 and why nighttime is the secret. Most people pop a vitamin D pill in the morning and call it a day. Maybe because it's known as the sunshine vitamin, but what they don't realize is that this timing could be completely backfiring on their muscle growth. And the real key, it's not just about when you take it, it's about how you take it and what you combine it with. Here's the deal. Your muscles have vitamin D receptors, tiny doorways that open up to let D3 work its magic. But these receptors, they're most active at night. That means if you're only taking D3 in the morning, you're missing its biggest opportunity to actually do what you want it to do: rebuild, protect, and strengthen muscle. But there's a catch. Vitamin D3 doesn't work alone. In fact, taking it solo can create serious problems over time, because when D3 increases calcium absorption, that calcium has to go somewhere. And without vitamin K2 to guide it, it can end up in your arteries, your joints, anywhere but where it's needed. That's not just ineffective, that's dangerous. Vitamin K2 acts like a traffic cop. It directs calcium out of your bloodstream and into your bones and muscle tissue exactly where it can support strength and structure. The form you want is MK7. It stays active longer and aligns beautifully with your body's overnight recovery window. Now let's talk about what this duo does together. Taken at night, D3 and K2 don't just support recovery, they accelerate it. D3 enhances deep sleep by regulating melatonin production, and K2 ensures that the calcium mobilized during this process is deposited in the right tissues. That's the kind of synergy that turns passive sleep into active muscle repair. And if you're over 40, this is a game changer, because nighttime is also when testosterone ramps up. D3 helps boost this natural surge, which means more anabolic activity, more muscle retention, and faster repair from even low-intensity movement during the day. Whether you train hard or just stay active, this matters. But here's something nobody tells you. Taking D3 in the morning can actually suppress melatonin production at night. That means even if you get 8 hours of sleep, the quality of that sleep is compromised. Less deep sleep, less growth hormone, less muscle repair. You might not even feel it happening, but over time it adds up. That's why the timing matters. Take your D3 and K2 with your evening meal, ideally something with a bit of healthy fat, to support absorption. Not too close to bed, but not early in the day either. That sweet spot, about 2 to 3 hours before sleep, gives your body what it needs when it needs it most. Most people think they're doing everything right, but this one simple shift, adding K2 and moving D3 to dinner, could be the change that unlocks deeper sleep, better strength, and measurable progress in just a few weeks. And the next vitamin? It's the most underrated recovery booster nobody's talking about. The underrated recovery mineral, zinc picolinate. Zinc doesn't get the spotlight it deserves, especially when it comes to muscle recovery. Most people associate it with immune health or testosterone, and that's true. But when you take zinc at the right time and in the right form, it becomes one of the most powerful allies your muscles have during sleep. Here's the problem. Your body doesn't store zinc. You need a steady supply every day. And guess when your body uses it most? While you sleep. That's when your body shifts into repair mode, and zinc is a major player in the rebuilding process. But not just any zinc will do. You need zinc picolinate, the most bioavailable, easiest to absorb, and least likely to cause digestive issues. Other forms of zinc, like oxide or sulfate, barely get absorbed and can leave your stomach a mess. But picolinate, it goes straight to work. And that's exactly what you want if you're over 35 and serious about recovery. Zinc is required for over 100 enzyme systems involved in protein metabolism. That means without enough zinc, you literally can't turn dietary protein into muscle tissue. You could be eating clean, hitting your macros, even supplementing with high-quality protein. But if your zinc is low, your muscles won't grow. It's like fueling a car with premium gas but having no spark plugs. And there's more. Zinc is essential for testosterone production, and we're not talking about steroids or crazy boosters here. We're talking about natural, healthy testosterone levels that help you retain lean mass, recover faster, and stay energized. Studies show that correcting a zinc deficiency can boost testosterone by up to 30%. That's massive, especially if you're older, stressed, or not sleeping well. Speaking of sleep, zinc has a calming effect on your nervous system. It helps regulate neurotransmitters like GABA, which promote relaxation and deep sleep. That's why taking it before bed is so effective. You get the double benefit of better recovery and better sleep, the two most important ingredients for lasting gains. Now, here's a common mistake: taking zinc at the wrong time. Zinc competes with other minerals like calcium, iron, and copper for absorption. If you take it with your multivitamin or with dairy, you're limiting how much your body can use. That's why nighttime on an empty stomach is the perfect window. But don't overdo it. Start with 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc picolinate about 30 minutes before bed. More isn't better. Too much zinc can cause nausea or imbalance with other minerals. The goal is consistency, not megadosing. If you've been feeling slower, weaker, or just not bouncing back like you used to, zinc could be your missing link. And once you correct that deficiency, especially with the timing dialed in, the improvements can feel almost instant. But there's one more nutrient that ties it all together, and it's hiding inside your B vitamin complex. The B vitamin that supercharges nighttime muscle recovery, P5P. Most people hear B6 and think of energy metabolism, maybe brain function, but what almost no one realizes is that the active form of B6 called P5P plays a massive role in how your muscles recover while you sleep. And if you're over 40, this might be the most overlooked key to getting your strength back. Let's break it down. P5P, or pyridoxal 5-phosphate, is the form of B6 your body actually uses. Regular B6 has to go through your liver to get converted into P5P, and that conversion process gets slower as you age. So even if you're taking B6 during the day, your body might not be using it efficiently at night, which is when muscle repair is in full swing. Here's why that matters. P5P is essential for protein metabolism. It helps break down the protein you eat into amino acids and then rebuild those into new muscle tissue. Without enough active B6, your muscle repair system is stuck in neutral, especially overnight when the rebuilding process peaks. But it gets deeper. P5P is directly involved in producing growth hormone. That's the master switch for recovery. It stimulates muscle protein synthesis, promotes fat burning, and helps you wake up feeling strong instead of stiff. If your growth hormone levels are tanking, which is common with age, low B6 could be part of the problem. And then there's the sleep connection. P5P helps your body make serotonin and GABA, two neurotransmitters that help you relax and fall asleep faster. But it also enhances REM sleep, the stage where your brain locks in motor learning and muscle memory. So, yeah, your muscles are growing during deep sleep, but your coordination and performance, that's getting upgraded in REM. One more bonus. P5P is critical for producing carnosine, a compound that buffers acid in your muscles. That means less soreness, better endurance, and improved performance the next day. And if you've ever felt like your muscles fatigue too fast or you hit a wall in your workouts too early, low B6 could be behind it. The sweet spot? Take 25 to 50 ml of P5P with your nighttime magnesium. They work together. Magnesium helps activate B6, and B6 helps magnesium enter your cells. That synergy creates a powerful recovery environment that's hard to replicate with anything else. If you've been plateauing, struggling with soreness, or just not waking up refreshed, this one tweak could flip the script, especially when combined with the other nighttime essentials we've already covered. But here's the twist most people miss completely: the vitamins you should actually avoid at night. It sounds counterintuitive, but there are a couple of vitamins that can wreck your muscle recovery if you take them at the wrong time. And unfortunately, these are some of the most common ones people reach for before bed. The first culprit, vitamin B12. Look, B12 is essential. It supports red blood cell production, nerve health, energy, and yes, even muscle function. But here's what nobody tells you. B12 is a stimulant. It ramps up your nervous system, increases alertness, and boosts ATP production. That's great when you're trying to crush a morning workout, but absolutely terrible when your body is trying to wind down and enter deep sleep. Taking B12 at night spikes cortisol, messes with your circadian rhythm, and suppresses melatonin, the hormone that not only helps you sleep, but also protects your muscles from oxidative damage during the night. It's like stepping on the gas and the brakes at the same time. Your body doesn't know whether to repair or stay alert. And guess what usually wins? Stress. Even worse, many multivitamins and B complex formulas are loaded with B12 and other stimulating B vitamins. If you're taking these after dinner thinking you're fueling recovery, you could be doing the exact opposite. The solution is simple. Take B12, ideally in the form of methylcobalamin, in the morning. You'll get the energy boost when you actually need it, and your sleep won't pay the price later. The second vitamin to watch out for is one that shocks people, vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is important for immune function and collagen production, which sounds like a good thing for recovery, right? And it is, but only when taken at the right time. High doses of vitamin C at night can sabotage your sleep in a few sneaky ways. First, it has a mild diuretic effect. That means more bathroom trips during the night, which fragments your sleep. And every time you wake up, growth hormone release gets interrupted. That alone can slow down your muscle repair significantly. Second, vitamin C can blunt the oxidative stress that's actually necessary for muscle adaptation. A little inflammation post-training is what signals your muscles to grow. Take too much antioxidant power right before bed, and you may block the very signal your body needs to rebuild. Third, and this one hits home, vitamin C enhances iron absorption, which competes with zinc. Remember that zinc you're taking at night for recovery? Yeah, if you take vitamin C with it, you might be canceling out its benefits without realizing it. The fix? Take vitamin C in the morning and early afternoon. Split your dose between breakfast and lunch, and you'll still get all the immune and skin benefits without disrupting your sleep or blocking recovery nutrients. So, the bottom line, timing matters a lot. You can be taking all the right vitamins, but if you take them at the wrong time, they can work against you. Now let's bring it all together with your nighttime recovery protocol. So here's the big takeaway. Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavier or eating more protein. It's about working with your body, especially during the hours when it's trying to repair and rebuild. And for most people, that's where the biggest blind spot is. Because while you sleep, your body's doing the real work. Growth hormone spikes, testosterone rises, inflammation drops, and if you give your system the right nutrients at the right time, the changes are real, tangible, powerful. But if you're taking B12 before bed, if you're popping vitamin C with your dinner, if your magnesium levels are low and you've never heard of P5P, you could be losing ground every night without realizing it. Not because you're lazy, not because you're not trying, but because no one ever told you that timing matters this much. This protocol isn't complicated. It doesn't require fancy supplements, crazy doses, or perfect genetics. Just 4 smart nutrients taken strategically. Magnesium glycinate, vitamin D3 with K2, zinc picolinate, P5P taken at night consistently with intent. Avoid B12, avoid high-dose C after 2 p.m., and give your body a chance to do what it's designed to do: recover, repair, rebuild. You don't need to wait for a new program. You don't need to change your whole lifestyle overnight. Just start here. Start tonight. Track how you feel. Watch how you recover. And in a few weeks, don't be surprised if you start waking up stronger. What's the one thing you're changing in your training after this? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear it. If this video gave you at least one aha moment, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's keep building this together. If you want more strategies like this, science-backed, no fluff, this is the place. We're not here to play around. We're here to make sure you actually get results.